video, I'm going to go over a 2-pack of lantern, maybe lantern flashlights. And let me just show you everything you get. This is from the company GEMEK, maybe is how you would say that. You get them in a 2-pack just like this. You get a little set of instructions, some batteries, and these take 3. I've already used this one, 3 AA batteries just like that. And you can use rechargeable, but they actually include the batteries with it. They have a nice little kind of adjustable handle right here. This handle can be taken off if you want to take it off. And let me just show you, there's not much to it. You can go this away and then fly this over here like this and move the direction of the handle so you can hold it like a lantern. And you see, as soon as you lift it up, has LEDs all the way around it. Close it up, it goes off, but then you hit it like that, you've got a flashlight. So it's a flashlight lantern type setup. That's an automatic on, by the way. I don't think you can turn that off. That's how you turn it off. You just close it. And that is very bright, everybody. Very impressive on how bright that is. This is something I'm going to use amongst my travels, you know, whether I'm camping or anything like that. I'll just set it up there like that, let it hang, and then if I want to go to the bathroom or something, I could take it down. I've got me a flashlight, so I'm walking around flashlight. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, dual pack flashlight lanterns from GEMEK. How about that? See y'all in the next video.